In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while talking about Ethereum cost figure for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value expectation and answer questions in the event that ETH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ETH succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 4.11% $1690 06 2023 01 27 plus 4.75% $1700 40 2023 01 28 plus 2.19% $1658 89 2023 01 29 plus 5.66% $1715 09 2023 01 30 plus 6.61% $1730 60 2023 01 31 plus 8.51% $1761 38 2023 02 01 plus 0.04% $1623 87 2023 02 02 plus 8.50% $1761 22 2023 02 03 0.90% $1608 69 2023 02 04 plus 0.84% $1,636.90 Ethereum value expectation 2023. High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb plus 2.11% $1,657.53. 2023 Blemish 6.53% $1,517.33. 2023 APRA plus 5.74% $1,716.47. 2023 May plus 7.33% $1,742.21. 2023 June plus 14.75% $1,862.78. 2023 Joel plus 23.75% $2,008.85. 2023 AUG plus 29.77% $2,106.55. 2023 SEP plus 26.39% $2,051.71. 2023 OCT plus 44.01% $2,337.66. 2023 2023 NAV plus 45.61%, $2,363.60. 2023 DEC plus 53.95%, $2,499.06. 2024 JAN plus 53.00%, $2,483.62. ETH Value Forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees ETH coming to $13,375.86 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $3,799.94. Ethereum Value Expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Ethereum coming to $33,439.64 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum coming to $66,879.29 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are promoters of tolerably hazardous financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,475.56. In the long haul, it could leap to $33,439.64 or considerably higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $33,439.64 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the undertaking. Controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration. More effective contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting procedure. Losing local area support. Possible weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our gauging model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $66,879.29 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Ethereum? Ethereum will reach $1,475.56 in the following 90 days, which is a 9.1% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $1,623.28. Could Ethereum at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Ethereum tycoon. However, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10k interest in Ethereum could make you a mogul. Ethereum value expectation today. What will be the cost of Ethereum tomorrow? Ethereum will float around $1,609.84